So I was working for Multicolor Corporation, who are a multinational label manufacturing business. We manufacture labels for the food and beverage industry and for some specific pharmaceutical industries. As continuous improvement manager, we'd be working on 3 to 4 projects at any given period in the year. And one of the big projects that we needed to focus on was managing our maintenance and our preventative maintenance program. It was all a very manual process. Really, we wanted to try and digitalize it and figure out a way to take away as much of the paper and also as much of the chasing people up to make sure that it was done. Well, we did a bit of research on some of the existing solutions that were out there. So I reached out to you, Colin, talked about what we needed, and we start brainstorming some ideas on it. So basically, in terms of metrics, it's very hard to put a number on failing an audit. It's time and effort, but also it's business reputation. And one of the other things that was excellent in the solution that we got was if, for example, a scheduled maintenance task wasn't carried out, or if I didn't grease my machine on a Tuesday, by the end of that day, my manager had a email alert to let him know that the maintenance hadn't been done on my shift. So we had that digital trail and the follow-up traceability. So it's been excellent working with Team Connect. The flexibility, the engagement, we built something from scratch, you and I, and it was never a problem, and we had probably 3 or 4 different iterations of the same thing, and we go back and we'd fix it, and we go back and trial it, and back and forward many times, never a problem, and always done within a day or two, which was fantastic for us.
Yeah,
I don't think we would have got that level of patience from a supplier, never mind the flexibility with all the changes that we made along the way. The service has been excellent, Colin, and I stand over that. We really, really enjoyed our time working alongside yourselves, and even going forward, the follow-on service has also been good. Definitely recommend working with Team Connect. Definitely, I'd have no hesitation in recommending Team Connect. And again, and I repeat, the flexibility has been brilliant. The engagement, responsiveness, all that really been good. Nothing that we asked for throughout the building process was impossible.